Hello students, today we are going to deal with the topic nucleophilic substitution reactions in aryl halides. In this topic, we will study reactivity of aryl halides towards nucleophilic substitutions, SN2AR reactions with addition elimination mechanism and elimination addition mechanism. Let us study reactivity of aryl halides towards nucleophilic substitution. Aryl halides do not undergo SN1 or SN2 reactions. Aryl halides exhibit resonance. Hence, CX bond in aryl halides has a double bond character. It is stronger than CX bond of alkyl halides. Hence, breaking of CX bond like in SN1 reaction is difficult in aryl halides. Hence, aryl halides do not show SN1 mechanism. The backside attack like in SN2 mechanism of alkyl halides is also not possible because the backside in aryl halides is blocked by aromatic ring. Therefore, aryl halides do not show SN2 mechanism. Haloarenes or aryl halides are not reactive towards most of the nucleophiles. And more drastic conditions like high temperature and high pressure are required to carry out nucleophilic substitution in aryl halides. These nucleophilic substitutions taking place at the aromatic ring carbon atom are called substitution nucleophilic aromatic SN2AR reactions. Let us study examples of SN2AR reactions. Hydrolysis of chlorobenzene to give phenol by treatment with aqueous NaOH requires high temperature of 300 degrees centigrade and high pressure. Similarly, cyanation of bromobenzene by treatment with anhydrous cuprous cyanide to give benzonitrile requires high temperature of 300 degrees centigrade and high pressure. Amination of chlorobenzene to give aniline by treatment with ammonia requires catalyst cuprous oxide, high temperature of 300 degrees centigrade and high pressure of 60 atmospheres. It shows that nucleophilic substitution at aromatic ring is difficult and it requires drastic conditions. However, it is observed that aryl halides can undergo nucleophilic substitution more easily if there is an electron withdrawing group present at ortho R or para position to haloatom. Parachloronitrobenzene gets converted to paranitroanisole by treatment with sodium methoxide with methanol at just 85 degrees centigrade. While 2,4,6,9 trinitrochlorobenzene just on warming with water gets converted to 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. This shows the ease of reaction due to presence of electron withdrawing group present at ortho and para positions. These reactions follow different mechanism depending on substituent present. First, we will study addition-elimination mechanism. This mechanism is followed by haloarenes with nitro group when the reaction is carried out with nucleophiles like alkalis, ammonia, amines, etc. The reaction involves two steps. In the first step, there is addition of nucleophile to aromatic ring. The nucleophile first adds to the double bond of aromatic ring at the carbon having chlorine group. This generates anion with negative charge on the aromatic ring. The strong electron withdrawing group, that is nitro group, helps to stabilize negative charge by resonance. This lowers activation energy of the step and makes the reaction possible. As aromatic ring loses its aromatic character, this is slow step and hence it is rate determining step. As both substrate and nucleophile are involved in the rate determining step, the reaction is second order nucleophilic substitution. Let us see here. Hydroxyl group, that is nucleophile, attacks the ipso carbon of the ring having chlorine. It generates anion at the aromatic ring. This intermediate carbanion is stabilized by resonance. This is addition step. The second step is elimination of halide ion. Benzene ring cannot accommodate negative charge. Hence, chlorine ion is lost. This is fast step and the product is obtained. See the energy profile diagram. There are two curves as the mechanism involves two steps. In the first step of addition, reactant gets converted to carbanion. It is slow step, hence requires higher energy. In the second step, carbanion gets converted to product. This is fast step and requires lower energy. Let us see another example of addition-elimination reaction. In this, methylamine acts as a nucleophile. It attacks ipso carbon, that is carbon having chlorine substituent. It generates carbanion. This carbanion is stabilized by resonance. Electron withdrawing group, nitro group present at para position helps to stabilize the intermediate carbanion. This carbon ion loses chloride ion and gets converted to product. Let us see another mechanism of aromatic nucleophilic substitution. This is elimination addition mechanism. This is also two-step mechanism. First step is elimination and second step is addition. Hence it is elimination addition mechanism. The intermediate formed is benzene and hence it is called as benzene intermediate mechanism. This type of mechanism is followed when the nucleophile is exceptionally strong base such as amide. This amide is obtained from sodamide or potassium amide. Let us see example. Chlorobenzene gets converted to aniline when treated with sodamide in presence of liquid ammonia at minus 33 degrees centigrade. First step is elimination. In this first step, there is elimination of HCl, that is, it is dehydrohalogenation. Amide ion, which is a strong base, abstracts proton from the carbon which is adjacent to the carbon bearing the chlorine atom. Then the chloride ion is abstracted to form the unstable benzene intermediate. Benzene intermediate has triple bond in the ring. In the second step, there is addition. Amide ion acts as a nucleophile and adds to the carbon having triple bond. This leads to formation of carbon ion. Now this carbon ion abstracts proton from ammonia which acts as a solvent. And this leads to formation of product and amide ion. As we have seen, benzene intermediate is formed. There are two carbons attached to triple bond. Nucleophile can attack to any of the carbon. If nucleophile attacks to the position from where the group is eliminated, that is chloride is eliminated, it gives normal product. But if substitution takes place and the incoming nucleophile occupies the position which is adjacent to the group which is lost, this is called syn substitution. This is because the benzene intermediate can undergo nucleophilic attack at two different positions. This results in normal product as well as syn substituted product. This substitution can be proved by isotopic labeling experiment. If you see here, the carbon which is attached to chlorine is labeled. When the reaction is carried out, the benzene intermediate is formed Now the amide ion can attack to the ipso position having isotopically labeled carbon or to the adjacent carbon, that is syn position. This leads to formation of aniline with normal product or syn substituted product. Syn substitution leads to unexpected product formation. If you see example of amination of orthobromotoluene along with the expected orthomethyl aniline, metamethyl aniline is also formed. This is because metamethyl aniline is a syn substituted product. Similarly, amination of parabromotoluene, we expect to get paramethyl aniline, but along with that metamethyl aniline is also obtained. These reactions can be explained with benzene intermediate. When we carry out reaction of metabromotoluene with sodamide and liquid ammonia, we get all the substituted products: orthomethyl aniline, metamethyl aniline and paramethyl aniline. This can be explained only by elimination addition mechanism through formation of benzene intermediate. This is how we have seen nucleophilic substitution reactions in aromatic halides by addition elimination mechanism and elimination addition mechanism. Thank you.